Improve lexical resources for. Describe a successful sportsperson you admire. You should say who he or she is, what you know about him or her, what he or she is like in real life, what achievement he or she has made, and explain why you admire him or her. Vocabulary words. 1. Athletic prowess. Example, his athletic prowess on the cricket field has inspired millions of young players. 2. Discipline. Example, her success is the result of hard work and discipline from an early age. 3. Endurance. Example, marathon runners need immense physical and mental endurance to complete races. 4. Determination. Example, his determination helped him bounce back from several career injuries. 5. Iconic. Example, Roger Federer is an iconic figure in the world of tennis. 6. Trailblazer. Example, Mary Kom is a trailblazer for women in Indian boxing. 7. Consistency. Example, her consistency in every tournament makes her one of the most reliable players. 8. Inspiration. Example, his sportsmanship and humility serve as an inspiration for the younger generation. 9. Resilience. Example, his resilience after facing defeat proved his mental strength. 10. Sportsmanship. Example, despite losing the match, his sportsmanship won everyone's respect. 11. Record-breaking. Example, she became a record-breaking swimmer by winning 5 gold medals. 12. Global recognition. Example, Lionel Messi enjoys global recognition for his unmatched talent. 13. Motivational figure. Example, he is not just a player but a motivational figure for many aspiring athletes. 14. Perseverance. Example, through sheer perseverance, she made her country proud. 15. Unwavering focus. Example, his unwavering focus on improvement is the key to his long-lasting success. Idioms. 1. Go the extra mile. Example, he always goes the extra mile in training to stay ahead of competitors. 2. At the top of one's game. Example, she has been at the top of her game for over a decade. 3. Hit the ground running. Example, the young player hit the ground running in his debut season. 4. Born to win. Example, with his skills and confidence, he seems born to win. 5. Raise the bar. Example, her performance has truly raised the bar in women's tennis. 6. Keep one's eye on the ball. Example, despite fame, he always keeps his eye on the ball and works hard. 7. Weather the storm. Example, he managed to weather the storm after a career-threatening injury. 8. Practice makes perfect. Example, his success proves that practice makes perfect. 9. Break new ground. Example, she broke new ground for Indian women in international sports. 10. The ball is in your court. Example, after the coach's advice, the ball was in his court to prove himself. 11. Throw in the towel. Example, even after multiple defeats, he never threw in the towel. 12. Against all odds. Example, he won the championship against all odds. 13. A level playing field. Example, every player wants a level playing field to prove their worth. 14. Sweat blood. Example, he sweated blood to reach this position in his career. 15. Hit a home run. Example, his comeback performance hit a home run with the fans. Phrases. 1. Set a benchmark for excellence. Example, her achievements have set a benchmark for excellence in athletics. 2. Won the hearts of millions. Example, through his humility, he has won the hearts of millions. 3. Serves as a role model for aspiring sportspersons. Example, he serves as a role model for aspiring sportspersons. 4. Overcame countless challenges. Example, she overcame countless challenges to reach the top. 5. Rose to fame. Example, he rose to fame after winning the World Cup. 6. Maintains a humble attitude. Example, despite his achievements, he maintains a humble attitude. 7. Embodies the spirit of sports. Example, she truly embodies the spirit of sports through her passion and discipline. 8. Made a remarkable comeback. Example, after a serious injury, he made a remarkable comeback. 9. Left an indelible mark. Example, his legacy has left an indelible mark on the history of football. 10. Inspires the youth. Example, his dedication inspires the youth to dream big. 11. Pushed beyond limits. Example, he pushed beyond limits to achieve success. 12. Transformed the game. Example, his innovative style has transformed the game completely. 13. Dedicated countless hours. Example, she dedicated countless hours to practice and improvement. 14. Serves as an embodiment of hard work and perseverance. Example, he serves as an embodiment of hard work and perseverance. 15. Became a household name. Example, with his talent, he became a household name across the country.